In Baghdad, there was a baker who made very good bread. People came from faraway places to buy his hot, fresh bread. Sometimes some people gave him fake coins and went away. After checking the coin, the baker would put it into his money box. He never returned it and never called anyone back to say, "You gave me a fake coin," or "You are dishonest." Instead, he accepted it with kindness. When the baker's last time came, he called out to Allah and said, "O Allah, you know very well that I took fake coins from your servants and gave them high-quality, fragrant, hot, and healthy bread, and they went away with it. Today I am coming to you with false and imperfect worship. It is not the kind of worship that you deserve. I request you, just as I forgave your creation, please forgive me too. I do not have true worship." A righteous person says that someone saw the baker in a dream, and he was in a very high rank. Perhaps Allah treated him in the way he hoped for. Most people do not forgive the mistakes of others, yet they hope that Allah will forgive their own mistakes again and again. If you want forgiveness from Allah, learn to forgive others.